Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from the Nokia 110 4G feature phone. The first thing we want to do is turn off the feature phone by unlocking it and then pressing the power button and holding it. This will then turn off the Nokia 110 4G feature phone. We then want to flip it over and then flip it around so we have this here facing us. This little slot, as you may be able to see here. You want to get your fingernail in there and then prise the back off. You will hear some cracks when you do this. Sometimes it's a little stiff. There you go, it's off. To remove the battery, you'll see this little slot here. You want to get your finger in there and prise the battery up. That's removed the battery. Now to remove the SIM card, the easiest way is to press this little. You see this little dodger here? This is keeping it in. So you want to press this down. And it can be a bit tricky, so the best thing to do is to press it down and get a pen and put the pen just behind the SIM to prise it out. There you go. Did you see it just flip across? You can move the pen to the side and then you can just press it down like this and there you go, it will eventually slip out. There you go. We've removed the SIM from the phone. That's the SIM and the battery. So that's how to remove the battery from the Nokia 110 4G feature phone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.